I'm board-certified New York City plastic surgeon Dr. Darren Smith, and this is Plastic Surgery Before and After, your source for the real deal about plastic surgery procedures, news about trends in aesthetic medicine, and candid sessions with industry insiders. We hope you enjoy today's episode. What is the most important thing you can do to ensure you get a great result with plastic surgery? So this is a very loaded question, but I would argue that the single most important factor in making sure that you get a result you're thrilled with your plastic surgery procedure is making sure that you have very clear communication with your plastic surgeon. There are a number of reasons why this is so important, but perhaps most important is that you can feel comfortable building a rapport with your plastic surgeon so that you can clearly and openly communicate about your goals and your desires and essentially build a care team between your surgeon and yourself to make sure that you are headed in the right direction to get a result that you're going to be thrilled with. This freedom to communicate clearly can be essential in several different respects. First, there are just the very practical questions like, what exactly is a rhinoplasty or a nose job? What are the different kinds of breast augmentation? What's liposuction like? How do you do liposuction? What is your preferred method for performing a facelift? Am I a good candidate for that method? Why or why not? And then there are the more subjective questions like, what is your surgeon's aesthetic ideal for a breast augmentation? Does that match your ideal for a breast augmentation? What kind of conditions will your procedure be performed under? Will they be in an accredited outpatient facility? Will they be in a hospital? Or will they be in some kind of facility that is not quite up to snuff, that you might not feel so comfortable with? So, as is true in so many walks of life, it is absolutely essential to be an informed consumer when you're looking at having aesthetic plastic surgery. Having clear communication with your surgeon is the first step along this path. No matter where you are in your aesthetic surgery journey, whether you're just collecting preliminary information, if you're starting to think about exactly what kind of procedure you might like to have, or even if you've had a procedure and you're thinking about future procedures or next steps, or maybe there are some things you'd like to tweak about the procedure that you've had, we would like to invite you to reach out and join our Facebook group, which you can just find at www.askdrsmith.nyc. And this is a great way to get input from not only me, but also from other folks that are going to be in very similar situations as the ones that you might find yourself in as you go through the plastic surgery process. So transparency and honest, clear communication is something that I value very highly in my plastic surgery practice. And I started this Facebook group as a way to bring this to the plastic surgery community at large and those that may be considering having a procedure or just learning about the field. So again, we'd really invite you to reach out and join us at www.askdrsmith.nyc so that we can all learn from each other and grow together as we explore plastic surgery and all that it has to offer. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe, share the show, and head over to DarrenSmithMD.com for more real-world plastic surgery talk.